Dictation of Dawn News editorial paragraph. Spending spree start. There can be little argument with the fact that Pakistan's economy is in dire straits, as most economists of repute have observed, unless the state takes immediate and decisive steps for course correction, default and financial chaos will be our lot, full stop. Yet the PDM administration seems to be living in some alternative universe where the financial management of the state is concerned, full stop. Instead of belt tightening, the government is lavishing funds on lawmakers, most likely with an eye on the elections, full stop. As reported, the cabinet's economic coordination committee on Wednesday approved an additional amount of rupees 20 billion for lawmakers in the name of the Sustainable Development Goals Achievement Program, full stop. Under this scheme, ruling coalition lawmakers get rupees 500 million each, ostensibly to implement civil works in their constituencies that will contribute to the SDGs, full stop. But instead of sustainable development, these lavish handouts will sustain many a political career among the ranks of government loyalists, full stop. It is odd why a government that launched a much trumpeted and failed austerity campaign earlier this year is doling out such large amounts of money when it only has a few more months constitutionally, at least in power, and when the coffers are empty, full stop. Perhaps if the national treasury were flush with cash, a case could be made for the distribution of funds, full stop. But with reserves slipping into dangerously low territory, the move is highly irresponsible and smacks of politics, full stop. Effectively, only lawmakers belonging to the PDM and parties allied with it will get the funds, which means that rather than focusing on development, full stop, the government is trying to ensure that with the transfer of cash, many an electable and influential will stay loyal come election time, full stop. In addition, there are serious questions of transparency where the money is concerned, as there is no strict monitoring of how and where such funds are being spent, full stop. This means that lawmakers have been virtually handed over a blank check by the government at the expense of the taxpayer, full stop. In fact, some experts have argued that discretionary funds for lawmakers development schemes should be abolished to help check our profligate ways, full stop. The PDM's economic management or lack thereof has been disastrous thus far, full stop. The last thing the coalition should do is squander billions of rupees in political bribes when the economy is deep in the red, full stop and close.